Welcome to the latest climate podcast. Here are today's top climate news stories. Greenland is gaining attention due to climate change, which is opening new shipping routes and highlighting its vast mineral resources. U.S. President Donald Trump views Greenland as a strategic asset for national security, especially against Russia and China. The island's position in the Arctic makes it crucial for monitoring submarine movements and emerging trade routes, potentially reducing shipping times significantly. Greenland is rich in rare earth minerals essential for green technologies, positioning it as a key player in the global transition away from fossil fuels. This growing interest underscores Greenland's importance in both economic and geopolitical contexts.
In India, Mahindra has launched the exciting new XUV 3XO EV, expanding its electric vehicle lineup. Priced between Rs 13.89 lakh and Rs 14.96 lakh, this mid-sized electric SUV offers impressive features and a real-world range of 285 kilometers. It undercuts the XUV 400 EV, which ranges from Rs 15.99 lakh to Rs 18.99 lakh and has a longer range but fewer features. The XUV 3XO EV boasts advanced technology, including a panoramic sunroof and Level 2 safety functions, making it a fantastic choice for eco-conscious drivers looking for value and innovation in electric vehicles.
Tata Power Renewable Energy Limited is set to invest Rs 6,675 crore in Andhra Pradesh by establishing a 10 GW greenfield ingot and wafer manufacturing facility in Nellore district. This project, approved by the State Investment Promotion Board, will be the largest of its kind in India. It aims to produce essential components for solar cells and semiconductor applications, contributing to domestic manufacturing and reducing import reliance. The facility is expected to create around 1,000 direct jobs and will include a 200-megawatt green power plant. This investment highlights Andhra Pradesh's strong infrastructure and commitment to clean energy, boosting investor confidence in the region.
Victory Electric Vehicles, an innovative company focused on sustainable mobility, launched its initial public offering IPO on January 7th, aiming to raise 34.56 crore. This IPO will remain open until January 9, with shares priced at 41 rupees each. As of early afternoon, the subscription rate was low, with only 0.13 times the shares bid. The proceeds will support working capital and corporate needs. The company offers a variety of electric vehicles, including customized three-wheelers for food and ice cream. The IPO allotment is set for January 12th, with shares expected to list on the NSE SME on January 14th.
RDB Infrastructure and Power, based in India, is making exciting strides in the renewable energy sector by acquiring a significant stake in Solar Agro Parks Private Limited. This move aims to diversify their operations, focusing on solar energy. Recently, their stock price soared to a 52-week high of 71 rupees 50, reflecting a remarkable 3,662% increase over the past 5 years. The company reported a net profit rise of 13% in the second quarter of fiscal year 2026, showcasing strong growth potential. With this strategic acquisition, RDB Infrastructure is set to create new revenue streams and continue its impressive journey in the market.
In the United States, the Ascot Hills microforest in Los Angeles is making a positive impact on climate change and urban living. This microforest, the largest in California, spans from 200 square feet to an acre and is filled with native plants. It not only helps combat carbon dioxide, but also boosts local biodiversity and restores degraded land. Professor Demian Willett from Loyola Marymount University is studying its benefits, showcasing how smaller green spaces can enhance both environmental health and human well-being. Microforests like this one are a fantastic way to bring nature back into city life.
Shares of the Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency Limited, known as IREDA, have recently dropped 53% from their record high, but are showing signs of recovery. The stock gained 2% to reach 146 rupees 30, and analysts suggest it may continue to rise. With support levels identified at 135 rupees and resistance at 150, experts believe that if IREDA maintains its position, it could climb to 155 to 165 soon. IREDA has been a key player in promoting renewable energy in India for over 36 years, contributing positively to the country's sustainable energy goals.
China and the European Union are major players in Russia's fossil fuel export market, contributing over half of the country's impressive $1.17 trillion earnings since the Ukraine war began in February 2022. China led the way, spending approximately $343.76 billion, while the EU followed with around $255.21 billion. India also made significant purchases, accounting for about $190 billion. Despite sanctions, Russian oil continues to flow, particularly to Hungary and Slovakia, aided by a network of shadow tankers. This dynamic trade highlights the ongoing complexities of global energy markets amidst geopolitical tensions.
Rajasthan is taking significant steps towards a sustainable future with its green transition roadmap, unveiled during a panel discussion in Jaipur. Experts from various sectors emphasize the importance of balancing economic growth with environmental goals. They highlighted successful practices in recycling and waste management, especially in industries like textiles and cement. Notably, innovative approaches in low-carbon cement production and solar energy use were showcased as profitable and eco-friendly. The discussions also focused on creating climate-resilient infrastructure and financing for green projects, aiming to position Rajasthan as a leader in India's climate action and green economy initiatives.
Rajasthan is making remarkable strides in environmental conservation with the Haryalo Rajasthan initiative, which has successfully increased the survival rate of plants to over 90%. Chief Minister Bhajanlal Sharma emphasized the importance of water conservation, urging citizens to take action at home. Launched in August 2024, this initiative aims to plant 50 crore trees and utilizes technology for tracking progress. During a session in Jaipur, experts discussed sustainability, renewable energy, and climate resilience with significant funding allocated for these efforts. Sharma highlighted the cultural significance of environmental stewardship and called for a collective movement to protect nature.
India is poised for a significant green energy transformation with the upcoming Union Budget 2026, which is seen as a vital opportunity to enhance its renewable energy goals. The country aims for 500 gigawatts of non-fossil fuel capacity by 2030 and net zero emissions by 2070. The budget could boost investments in solar, wind, and green hydrogen, while also modernizing the grid and promoting electric vehicles. By focusing on fiscal incentives, sustainable finance, and skill development, India can accelerate its transition to a low-carbon economy, creating jobs and reinforcing its commitment to climate action and inclusive growth.
In the United States, Sony and Honda are set to launch their first-ever electric vehicles, the Afeela 1 sedan and Afeela Coupe SUV, showcased at the Consumer Electronics Show 2026 in Las Vegas. The Afeela 1 sedan is expected to hit the market by the end of 2026, while the Coupe SUV will follow in early 2028. These innovative vehicles aim to transform mobility by integrating artificial intelligence for a smarter driving experience. Production will take place at Honda's East Liberty Auto Plant in Ohio, with initial deliveries to California and plans to expand to Japan in 2027.
Adani Green Energy in India is making strides in the renewable energy sector by forming a new step-down subsidiary. This move reflects the company's strong commitment to sustainability and innovation in addressing climate change. The subsidiary is expected to enhance Adani's capabilities and boost its overall performance in the green energy market. With a focus on improving financial health and capital efficiency, Adani Green Energy is positioning itself as a leader in the transition to clean energy. This development is a positive step forward for both the company and the environment, showcasing the potential of renewable technologies.
For more climate news, make sure to download the Change Your Climate app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Please note these stories were AI-generated from real news sources, which isn't always perfect. If you have any concerns or questions about the news contained in this podcast, please reach out to us. Thank you, and see you tomorrow.